To automatically disable pop-up notification when Do Not Disturb is on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap Do Not Disturb. Tap hide notification. Under when the screen is on section, tap the gray on off sheet next to don't show pop-up notification until the switch turns blue to turn it on. By doing this, when you receive a notification while Do Not Disturb is on, your phone will not show pop-up notification when the screen is on to keep you from distraction. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.